going to introduce our great ancient Indian scientists who changed the world of science with their great inventions. We are surprised to know that our ancient people know all the present day modern theories on physics and mathematics, because our ancient scientists already discovered all these theories, but we don't know about these theories. The ancient scientists didn't get any place for their contribution didn't get any place for the deserved. Today I am going to introduce many scientists who invented many things before the foreigners. He is the scientist named Gowtham. He is a great mathematician. He invented many theorems and theories on mathematics. He is the first person described the value of pi. What we today call it as Pythagoras theorem is already described by Gowtham in his Solar System book. After Gowtham, Pythagoras proposed his theory, but we don't know about Gowtham. Aryabhatta. All of you know about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta stated that 0 is not a numeral but also a concept and a symbol. Due to the value of 0, he perfectly calculated the distance between Earth and Moon, and he also stated that Earth is in round shape and rotated in its own axis. He also described that Sun is moving from east to west. Brahmagupta, he introduced the negative values and some operations on 0 also. He is famous for his book Brahmasputra Siddhantika. Through this book, the Arabs came to know our mathematics system. Bhaskaracharya, he is the great famous scientist. He invented Chakravarti method, a cyclic method. After 6 centuries later, the Europeans invented the Chakravarti method, which is used to solve the algebraic equations, named as inverse cyclic method. He is also famous for book Siddhant Shiromani. All of think that Newton is the first one described about gravitational pull of the earth. But before Newton, Bhaskaracharya also described about the gravitational pull of the earth, and he also stated laws of gravitation in his book Surya Siddhanta in 11th century. That means he described about gravitational pull of the earth before 5 centuries before Newton. Mahaviracharya, he is a famous mathematical scientist. He introduced about least common multiplier LCM. Later Mahaviracharya, John Napier come to know about LCM, and we are think that John Napier introduced about LCM. But before John Napier, Mahaviracharya invented about LCM. He wrote a book Ganesha Sangraha, which is the first textbook on arithmetics, which is in present day form. Next, Kanada. He is a scientist on chemistry. He got a name because he is interested in small particles called Kana. Kana means atoms. He stated an atomic theory that is matched to any modern atomic theory. He stated that the universe is made up of small atoms which cannot be seen through any human organ. He is the first scientist stated about the earthquake cloud theory, through which we can easily find the signs of earthquake. And also he says that some plants which are helpful to easily form the underground water. He stated 11 plants and 6 types of animals through which we can easily form the underground water and some herbal medicines. Susruta. You know Susruta, he is the first surgeon throughout the world. He is also the plastic surgeon from India. He made several plastic surgeries in that time. He also, in his book Susruta Samhita, he described that to keeping a dead body for purpose of its detailed study has been described in his book Susruta Samhita. Charaka, he is the father of Ayurvedic medicine. he described about Ayurvedic medicine in his book Charaka Samhita. It is a remarkable book for nowadays. Ayurvedic medicine is come through. He is the father for the Ayurvedic medicine. Jagdish Chandra Bose. You know, Marconi got Nobel Prize for the invention in the radio communication, radio waves communication. But before Marconi, Jagdish Chandra Bose made a public demonstration on radio waves telecommunication. But he is not got any chance. Later 100 years, he got the name on the Pingala. You know binary numbers. The binary numbers are described by the Pingala. The Fibonacci series also invented by the Pingala. Thank you.